What's going on, guys, and welcome back to another unboxing / review video. Big shout out to HAOQI for reaching out to me and asking me to review this crazy looking e-bike. This is one that I've been personally excited for and waiting for. This is their Rhino model. There will be chapters down below, so feel free to skip around to whatever you're interested in. I'm gonna get started with the unboxing. Let's go. Alright, so inside the box, we got our axle. We have, oh, look at that, a hex key wrench set. That's cool. This is our headlights, put that aside. We got our pedals, owner's manual, instruction manual, and this is for sure the charger. 3 amp charger, that's nice. So fast charging on this bike. Or faster than usual. Alright, and that's pretty much it. Pretty painless, not a long process to put this thing together, and it looks beautiful. I love the way this thing is looking. I'm digging the seat, and I like the lines and the flow of this thing. It is huge. It is pretty tall e-bike. When I sit on it, the seat is like lower. It's like a very cool, I like it. I like the way this thing is. So now, as always, I'm gonna let this thing fully charge, and then we're gonna hit the street, talk about the specs, the price, my opinion of this bike. We might even do an off-road test. Stick around and find out. This thing is looking so nice. I can't wait to try it. Let's go. Man, look at this thing. It looks so cool. Just like an old school, like, motorcycle vibe. I'm digging that. Let's get this thing started. We're gonna hop on and show you the starting procedure. Pretty simple. The keys there really to just remove the battery, so no keys necessary. Once you're on the bike, we'll hit this power button for a few seconds and the screen turns on. Hopefully you guys can see that well. And then we have some pedal assist. 0 is nothing, no power. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So let's go ahead and start right now on 1. Looks like we're doing about 6 miles an hour on mode 1. Let's go to mode 2. Oh wow, I like the sound of this motor. It's got a lot of torque. So double the speed on mode 2. We're hitting 12 miles an hour on the screen. Let's go to 3. Oh yeah, what a difference. Okay, so we hit the max. It gets there really fast. So we're at 18 miles an hour for mode 3. All right, let's try mode 4. Yeah, wow, the torque on this is crazy. Crazy torque this motor has. We're gonna look at that in a little bit. So about 23, 24 miles an hour. That's already faster than a lot of e-bikes I reviewed. That's cool. You feel like you're moving. All right, that's perfect. We'll turn around and try mode 5 and see what kind of top speed we get there. I'm really enjoying how fast it gets to that top speed.
So let's try number 5. Oh yeah, it's like immediate. And I'm doing throttle only right now on all these speed tests. Alright, so mode 3, 25, 26, 27, 28, which I think is the limit. 29, 28. Yeah, it's limited to 28 miles an hour. Let's do a little brake test from like 20 miles an hour. 1, 2. Yeah, pretty good. These are hydraulic brakes. We're going to talk about everything. Let me keep on riding this thing. Very interesting. Just getting used to the weight up top. I thought I might not like it. I thought it might be weird and very like wobbly, but very, very stable and fun to ride. All of my e-bikes, you know, takes me a little bit to get used to, but this is very maneuverable. These tires are nice and wide, and the feeling on this is for sure limited. For sure this motor is limited. One thing from my experience of reviewing all these e-bikes, I can definitely tell when the motor is limited just to make it legal. This one is by far the most limited. So it only goes 28 miles an hour to make it legal, as I mentioned, but this motor has a lot more to give. I'm definitely going to try to contact them and see if there's some sort of hack in here that you can unlock the speed. 90% of the time there is. I'll try to get that for you guys. Also, I promise we'll do an off-road test in the video, but weather has been kind of iffy and stuff, so I may save the off-road test for the next video. So definitely make sure to subscribe if you want to find out more information about that. All right, let me try to find a spot where I can talk about some of the specs. I'm sure you guys want to know more about this beautiful bike. All right, guys, so what we got here is the HAOQI Rhino electric motorbike. It is running a 52 volt 1000 watt geared hub motor in the rear, coupled with a 52 volt 26.1 amp hour battery. That should give you a top speed of about 28 miles an hour and a range of about 65 to 90 miles, depending on how you ride, of course. It comes with 20-inch by 4-inch Kenda fat tires, coupled with hydraulic brakes with a 160 millimeter rotor. We also have a Shimano 7-speed with the Shimano derailleur. We also have a front adjustable fork with a 100 millimeter travel, and of course we have a front headlight which is pretty bright. The frame is made from 6061 aluminum. The total weight of the bike is 82 pounds. Payload capacity is 400 pounds. Up on the handlebars we have a half twist throttle, our Shimano gear changer, a very nice looking color display, our controls for the pedal assist up and down, our headlight on and off switch, and a horn. And last but not least, the price of this bike. It's currently $15.99, which is an insane deal for what you're getting here. 52 volts, 26 amp hour, Kenda tires, suspension in the front, hydraulic brakes, active brake light. That's insane. Check out the link, check out this bike. Beautiful. Let's continue this review. So back to 5, I want to see how long does it take for the pedal assist to kick in. So we're no throttle. 1, whoa, fast. Half a revolution and the motor reacted. That is fast. I think that's the fastest I've ever had. Usually it's like a revolution or 2, up to like 3. How are you, bro? I mean, this one is pretty on point. Look at my legs. I'm gonna start turning. Yeah, it wasn't even a full revolution and the motor kicked in. So it's like 3/4 of a revolution and you're already going. And man, this thing picks up speed fast. You get to 28 right away, man. You get used to the weight up here, up top, fairly fast. What I really like about this design of this bike is, I mean, it's nice as is already, but this is such a great platform for like modders. If you're a modder and you just like to mod things, add batteries, add power, do whatever you want, this is a crazy platform for this thing. Because I mean, look at this. The whole body is completely empty and kind of up to you to do whatever you want. Look at all that space right here in the middle. What I like about HAOQI and what they did is this is held by screws. So you can technically remove this basket. If you remove this basket, oh my god, you can put an insane battery in here. Pretty crazy. So as far as that, it's got a really cool design, really cool frame, very expandable. I don't know if that's the right word, but very moddable, you know. So I really like that. Some of the other e-bikes I reviewed, I go like, you know, 10, 15. It's like, it's frustrating. You want that little bit more, and this is that little bit more that I'm talking about. If you guys watch my reviews and I talk about just that little bit extra, this has that little bit extra, and I love it. Brakes, amazing, really good brakes. But yeah, guys, I really dig this bike. Also, my sitting position is super nice. I don't feel hunched over. I can stand up and have it nice. When you stand up, this battery fits between, even when you sit, the battery, I don't know if you guys can see, fits in here so nice. This is a cool bike, guys. Really, really cool bike. But that's pretty much it for me, guys. I don't know what else to say. This bike is amazing. I love everything about it. Thank you guys for joining me today on this review of this HAOQI Rhino electric motorbike. This thing is beautiful. But that's all I got. So thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.